Yo, what up, squad? All right, so look at this box right here, all right? It looks like nothing. It's smaller than your hand and it runs on just 6 watts. But what's inside this box right here, man, and what it's capable of doing is what made me do a whole double take the first time I set it up. Because this tiny aluminum box right here is running my entire home behind the scenes, and it's all silently, all right? This right here, y'all, is the ZimaBoard 2, and today I'm walking you guys through 5 real use cases that are gonna make you look at your home setup completely different. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into the 5 use cases, man, I actually wanna talk about why this is actually different from something like Raspberry Pi or a repurposed old PC. Now, the ZimaBoard 2 here runs on an Intel N150 processor. That's x86 architecture, the same family as your desktop as well as your laptop. That matters because the entire software ecosystem was actually built for x86. Everything runs natively, man. There's no compatibility hacks, no ARM workaround. It has dual native SATA ports. You can just plug in a 3.5-inch desktop hard drive directly into this. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, a PCIe 3.0 times 4 slot expansion, HDMI 2.0 out, and it runs at just 6 watts idle. Now, the software that it actually is running is called ZimaOS, which is a clean GUI build for exactly this hardware. Every app that I'm about to show you guys to install is just one click, all right? Okay, so the first use on what you guys can actually use this for, in my opinion, I feel like is gonna be the NAS, right? You plug in a 3.5-inch desktop hard drive directly into the SATA port. It opens ZimaOS, click Plex or Jellyfin in the App Store, one click install, and just like that, boom, you're done. Now, your entire movie collection, your family photos, your work files is all accessible from anywhere. You stream 4K to your TV, stream to your phone. The Zima mobile app can auto backup your photos in the background as well, same as Google Photos, except it's actually going to your hard drive versus going to a cloud. And you guys can do the math, man. It literally pays for itself versus cloud storage in under a year. Now, this next use case is perfect for is the home firewall. Now, the dual 2.5 gigabit port lets you use the ZimaBoard 2 as a full network gateway, WAN in one port and LAN out the other port. Install AdGuard Home from the ZimaOS in literally just one click, and now every single device in your home Wi-Fi is ad-free as well as tracker-free at the network level. It's genuinely like eye-opening if you've never seen it before. Now, the next reason to get this product here, man, is for my retro game console lovers that are out there, and this is where the x86 genuinely win. You install Batasera from ZimaOS, literally one click, it loads your ROMs, and I'm telling you, bro, the UI looks like a real console. Has the cover art, metadata, everything organized. You plug in a USB or Bluetooth controller, and just like that, bro, you up and running and playing all your favorite games. And because it's x86, the ZimaBoard 2 can run PS2, GameCube, Dreamcast emulators that ARM-based devices like Raspberry Pi genuinely struggle with. And these run smoothly on here, as you guys can see. Your friends can connect whenever they want without you leaving your PC running. The base X32 model here at $339 handles retro gaming and light gaming, serving comfortably, all right? Now, the next use case, and this one is probably the most powerful demo in the whole video, and that is the install home assistant from the ZimaOS. Again, one click. It auto discovers your smart home devices like your lights, your sensors, cameras, thermostats, everything in one local interface. You install Frigate NRV alongside it, and Frigate is the AI-powered network video recorder. You connect your IP cameras and it runs real-time object detection locally. It doesn't depend on the internet. It doesn't depend on a company server stand-up. It doesn't have a subscription. The PCIe slots also accepts the Halo 8 or the Coral TPU for hardware AI acceleration, which makes the AI detection in Frigate significantly faster, especially if you guys are running multiple cameras. And last, y'all, this is the one that surprised me the most, and that is if you guys install Olama from ZimaOS, you install OpenWeb UI for ChatGTP style interface. And now you guys have your own private assistant that is running entirely on this 6-watt box that is right underneath your desk or sitting right on top of your desk. And I asked it to summarize my notes, right? Write some code or just answer questions about my own documents. It did it all for me, and it is locally, y'all. No internet connection required. No data sent to OpenAI, Google, or anyone else. your prompts, your documents, your conversations, they literally never leave the device. And this is the AI use case that honestly changes how you guys think about privacy as well as self-hosting. So here's my thoughts, man, on who I personally think this is for. Now, the ZimaBoard 2 here, man, is genuinely a different product from anything else in the single board computer space. The x86 architecture means full software compatibility, no ARM workarounds, and you also have that Zima OS that makes all 5 of these use cases 3-minute installs instead of just multi-hours CLI sessions. 6 watts idle means it runs 24/7 without guilt, and it replaces devices that would individually cost far more than $339 for the base price. Now, whether you guys want to kill your cloud subscription with a personal NAS or build your whole home ad blocker or set up a retro gaming rig, go fully local with your smart home, or you like to run your own private AI, man, this box right here does all of that for you. You pick the use case that's going to be perfect for your own needs, man, as well as your own life, and you just start right there. The rest on itself will follow, all right? So if you guys are interested in picking up one for yourself, I will definitely have a link for you guys down in the description section below. Also, man, huge shout out to my friends over at Zima for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out.